Today I'm going to show you how you can fix invisible WhatsApp notifications in Xiaomi Pad 6s Pro. So if you don't see your WhatsApp alerts at the start, always check your DND mode. So open the top menu and check that you have the moon icon deactivated, like here. In the next step, hold the finger on the WhatsApp and go to the app info. Let's start from the notifications. Okay, we have to open it here and check that you have this switcher activated. After that, go to the channel settings and check that you have activated high priority notifications here and here. In the next step, let's open the data usage. Okay, I don't have an active SIM card, so never mind. Go to the storage and try to clear data. Remember to make the backup of your messages before. Choose the clear data and tap on OK. In the next step, let's open the settings and go to the more connectivity options. Then select the reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, tap on the reset settings button, configure your pattern and tap on the OK. After that, look again for your messages on the WhatsApp. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, recommend and goodbye.